Bob Proctor always used to say, if you can hold it here, you can get it in your life. It's reality. Unless you hold it here, you won't be able to get it. The longer you keep in your mind, the longer you hold any visualization, any image, any picture of your future or your desire, try to feel good. Claim it too. Hello everyone. If you see anything in this world, whether your phone, your car, your home, anything, it was a vision first. First it was in somebody's mind and then it was created in the real life. We have been blessed with our higher faculty visualization. It is an amazing faculty we are having right with us. Bob Proctor always used to say, if you can hold it here, you can get it in your life. It's reality. Unless you hold it here, you won't be able to get it. The longer you keep in your mind, the longer you hold any visualization, any image, any picture of your future or your desire, you get more closer to it emotionally, physically, mentally. You are charged with the energies. The attraction starts happening around you. You attract the people, you attract the right circumstances, right people, right situation to receive, to attract your desired life. How did it happen? When you visualize something, when you hold a picture of something here, you release the frequency. When you release the frequency out there, it is going to attract the same frequency. And the same frequency will be your desired frequency because you have released the same. And when you get back the same frequency, you get right people, you get right circumstances, you get your manifestation, you get your desire. Many people underestimate the power of visualization. They never do it. They always use it in a negative way. They always visualize the worst case scenario. I think 90% of people, they always use visualization in a negative way. Anything they are going to do, they will first visualize the negative things. If it does not happen, then what? Because they assume the negative things, they assume the failure before they fail. Same way, if you assume your victory before you win, how would it be? Understand this with an example of pen. A pen is filled with the ink. The ink is the energy of the pen. You can write anything you want. The ink will not stop you from writing anything. Whether you are writing good or bad, the ink will make no difference. Ink does not understand what you are writing. The same way, energy does not understand what you are feeling, whether it is good for you or not, whether you want this in your life or not. If you keep imagining the worst, if you keep imagining the negative things, energy will not understand your requirement. It only understands your emotion, the vibration, the frequency you release. Energy does not understand the word, same as ink. It's you who decide how you will use your energy. Instead of imagining worst case scenario, you can imagine your victory. You can imagine your desired life, your success. Use the imagination, the visualization in right way and hold it for a longer period of time here in your mind and you will see the magic. Write your goal, your desire on a piece of paper. When you write, you create thought, and when you think about it, you create image. You can do anything. First you can create image and you write there, or you write there and create image. Clarity is the first thing when you want to attract anything in your life. Whether you see here with your mind, whether you write on a piece of paper, if you are writing also, you are looking here. The image is here. If you are clear with the first image and you are continuously working on it, don't worry about the future, what will come next. You will make the way one after one and you will reach your goal. Because if you have the ability to hold some picture here, whatever you desire, you can hold it here. Just don't get distracted and visualize it, write it down and work towards it. You will receive it for sure.